In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your PayPal account to your eBay account, an essential setup for seamless transactions if you're just starting out on eBay. Whether you're planning to buy or sell, linking these two platforms ensures that your financial details are secure and transactions are smooth. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to get started by opening your eBay account settings. This is the hub for managing all your personal and financial information on eBay, so knowing your way around here is quite beneficial. Once you're in your account settings, look for the section labeled Payments. This area manages all of your payment preferences, including where you can integrate with PayPal, which is one of eBay's preferred payment solutions due to its safety features and user-friendliness. Now that you're in the Payments section, your next step is to find the option that says Link PayPal Account. It should be fairly visible and easy to locate. By selecting this option, you're opening the pathway for your eBay and PayPal accounts to communicate with each other. This connection is critical because it allows you to manage all those transaction details from your eBay account without having to manually enter your PayPal information for each transaction. After selecting the option to link your accounts, you will need to log in to PayPal. You might want to make sure you have your PayPal login details handy, as this part requires you to authenticate your account credentials. If you're unsure of your information, it's a good idea to reset your password beforehand to avoid any hassles during this linking process. Once you input your credentials, you'll be asked to log into your account as an added layer of security to confirm that you are indeed the account holder. Finally, the last step is to approve the connection between your PayPal and eBay accounts. After logging into PayPal, you should see a prompt asking for your permission to connect with eBay. This is a critical step as it confirms that you consent to eBay accessing your PayPal account for transaction purposes. Approve this connection, and you're all set. Once approved, the link becomes active, and you can trust that eBay will handle all transactions using your PayPal account securely and efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your PayPal account to eBay. This straightforward process not only adds efficiency, but also adds a layer of security to your transactions by eliminating the need to enter your payment details repeatedly. It's a one-time setup that offers continuous benefits throughout your buying and selling journey on eBay. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful in getting you set up for easier transactions on one of the world's largest online marketplaces.